guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to install Bigsur on VMware. I'm having a Ryzen machine. It's tough 15. So first I want to VMware 16.0 and install it. It takes some time. Accept, next, 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 next. Install the software. Also, you need to download the ISO file. I'll tag in the description. It's about 16 GB. That's the setup of Macos Bigsur. Also, head over to use any of the keys provided here to activate 16 VMware 16. Also, you'll be needing the unlocker. Right. Unlocker. You can Google it, and I'll provide the link in description. Just download it, download the zip, and then extract it. Once the installation is complete, I'll show you what to do. So the installation is complete. Just remember the license and put in the keys in here. Just copy and paste it right here. Finish. Now head on to the place where you download and extracted the unlocker. Just unlock master. Just open it up and run pin install using administrator. Take some time. Download some files. Depending on your internet speed will down. It's showing 110 seconds, about 2 minutes to download. Now this is complete. Just turn on the virtual machine. I mean VMware. Mm, now create a new virtual machine. Typical. Next, I will install the system later. Head on to Apple Mac OS X 11.1. Next, and you can name it Bigsur Mac OS Bigsur. can specify the location. Next, you can you need to type in the maximum disk size. So I'm typing 6 GB. Make sure there is multiple files. It's better usually. Then finish. Now edit virtual machine. Select the number of processors you want. I'm going to do 4 and 2, and then the RAM. I make it 5 GB. About 5. Yeah. Then head on to CDDB, use ISO. I'll provide the link in the description of this video. Press OK, and then right click the VMware, open VM directory. Close the VMware, right click, and then open with Notepad. If Notepad doesn't appear, just open with, choose another app, and then Notepad. And copy and paste this text at the end of this file. I'll put this in description as well. Then save, and then close it. Now rerun the VMware workshop. Now I have a Bigsur and power on. I'll skip the video for the loading part. So here it is, it's loaded. Just next. Choose your language in the next. Go to disk utility and continue. Choose the data drive, this one. That's the size you entered while making the virtual machine. And head over to erase, and then type the name Mac OS. Then format, you can choose APFS or APFS extended encrypted. I mean, that's the new one. And erase. It's done. See the macOS 276. Then cancel it and install macOS Bigsur. Continue. Agree. Agree. Then select the drive. Continue. Click some time. I'll see the loading time as well for this one too. So the VMware is loaded. Take about 20 to 30 minutes on average. Now you need to select your country or region. After selecting continue, and continue. You can change the preferences as well, customize setting, but that's not very important right now. Accessibility, not now. Continue for the data and privacy part. Then say skip this, not now. It's for the sake of using time machine or database. Probably kernel is not very much of different. Then you can set up your Apple ID and set up later. Just skip this for now, or you can set up your Apple ID, a cleared one. And agree to the terms and condition. After that, just type in the account name. Continue. Let's continue again. Screen time you can set up later or just continue. Enable Siri and then continue. Just you can do not. It's a speech recognition like Google Assistant and your phone. Theme you want. Take some time and then start up. There's the Bigsur running on VMware, so you can update it. Update to 11.2. It's currently 11.0. The ISO I'm providing. You can just head on to software update and update. It's about 3 to 4 GB of update. And thanks for watching. Make sure to like the video, subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.